Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. So, umaga ako nagising ngayon. Kasi alis kami ni Baby Grayson. Bibisitahin namin yung tita niya. Dito siya, dumede muna siya. Bibisitahin namin yung ninang niya. Unang pagkikita nila ni Ninang Melrose niya. So, babiyahe ako ng 3 oras. Sana hindi siya iiyak. Kasi iyakin pag nasasakyan, guys. So, sana okay lang siya doon. So, nakaready na yung mga gamit. Kami na dalawang hindi pa. Maliligo pa kami. It's already 9 o'clock in the morning. Paaga pa. So, gusto ko pang matulog pero kailangan ko ng gumayak ng maaga kasi 3 oras at kalahati yung biyahe. Hirap. Tapos mag-stop ako kasi, di ba, my baby. My baby. Yun siya, oh. Dedeng-dede. So, yun lang muna. See you in San Antonio, guys.
5 hours later.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Walang
Hello!
Tumagtago. Sabi ko, uy, ikaw magbukas. Wala kang damit. Buang si Andrew.
Si Andrew. Nandito, anak niya.
Ha? Oo, yung isa.
Ba't wala si Rob? Kasi wala sasakyan eh.
Hindi, nandyan sa, sa loob. Nasa garage.
Yung sasakyan niya?
Isarado ko, Bika. May daming langaw dito.
Kararating lang.
Oo, kararating ko lang din. Yung langaw.
Tingnan
Oh
mo.
my God.
Ang nga nagsabi,
Oo,
babe.
Ba't ganun?
Iwan ko.
Sabi ko sa mga picture.
You want baby too?
Don't hold, carry don't carry the baby because you don't know how.
Can I touch?
Yeah, you can touch.
Gago. Gusto niya
Look at my tablet.
ka na lang, mami.
This is a Samsung tablet. And it's from Android.
The baby.
I don't remember this.
Ano yung remember the baby, of course. Hindi niya daw naalala yung bata. Tama.
I like a
Talaga
baby.
naalala kasi. Wala pa yan.
Nanggigil, babe.
Andrew, don't carry.
You want carry? Okay, you sit down there then.
No, be, ayaw mo, mulaklag pa yan.
Ano, nanggigil?
Aren't you gonna eat your pizza?
So, hi guys. Dito na kami sa San Antonio. Magluluto lang kami ng tinola. Dito yung friend ko. Tignan nyo. Maganda. Maganda kong friend. Tignan nyo.
Hindi mo ipakita yung kalahati.
Yun. Hiyain siya eh. Hiyain. Sobrang hiyain niya. So, magtitinola lang kami. So, yan. Na-try mo na ba magluto ng adobo with this? Sarap. Sarap niya.
Ha? Talaga? Ako nilalagyan ko yung adobo ko ng ng asukal. Kunti lang.
May lagnat ka kasi eh.
Do you need it?
Andrew. Ang pulan niya.
Pula niya, Bio. Lagyan mo nung gano'n, oh.
Nasaan
I
ba?
don't need a starting board.
Andrew.
Gusto niya?
Andrew. Utamasan.
Mommy, no. No.
We're gonna put something on your head. So it lower your temperature. It's not medicine, it's just a cooling pad.
Pad, like this.
I don't need it.
No, you need it.
It's very cold. Look, init niya, Bi.
I don't want it.
No,
It's very cold. Look,
It's
just
just for your-
try. Just a
For your
water.
forehead.
Like a water. It's not medicine. Can you do like, igano mo nga, Bi? No, it's not medicine. Trust me. It's just you see see how cold it is?
Oh, so cold, so cold, so cold.
It's okay.
It's okay, don't remove.
You're
It's so
You're,
cold.
you Huh? Your fever will gone away. Trust me.
How many minutes is going to go away?
Until
What is it?
hour.
An
Have
hour.
an hour?
Yeah. If you feel better, then it means you're not sick anymore. Malas talaga ng tuto. Nilagnat.
Kaya nga hindi tuloy siya makalapit. Ay, stay away, Andrew.
Lala. Chico lang.
Andrew! Kasi
May lagnat kasi mahirap lagnatin yung baby.
Because you have fever, stay away. Please.
Maybe around an hour, Andrew.
It just feels cold.
Ano kaya mo muna bisa itaas?
It's totally
Doon lang
working.
siya sa bedroom. Andrew,
Kasi may lagnat pa yan eh.
lay down in the bed.
You need to lay down because if you not lay down, you're gonna be sick.
Yeah. You can lay down. If you're not sick, then you can hold the baby.
Malas ka talaga,
I
Andrew.
don't want to watch TV.
Oh yeah, you can watch TV, Dad.
Go get your tablet. Hindi daw siya manood ng TV. Ay, ang bot sa'yo mo, Andrew. Ay.
No, it's not fever. He just feel like I don't know because he have sneezing.
Yeah, it's...
But I gave him medicine already. He's okay because he's complete. He listen anyway.
Yeah, you listen. Malaki na kasi pag pero ito, hindi magkinig.
Kapag ganyan yung mabilis yan mabilis yan.
Hindi pa yan nagkalagnat?
Hindi pa. Oh, nung in-injection, nag-init lang pero pinainom ko ng Tylenol.
Normal lang yun.
Mm-mm.
Sakto na ba yung kanin? Ay, hindi man yan sila kakain ng kanin.
Hindi yan, sabaw lang yan eh.
Kaya nga.
yung dalawa, si Misha.
Sakto na yun
Mm-mm.
sa atin. Tayo lang naman ang kain.
Next time, punta ko dito, linis tayo bahay mo. Minsan pa. Baka hindi wala. Hindi ko kasi pagbasa dito. Punta sa amin, eh. Ayun, nasa Andrew. Pumunta sa inyo, eh. Walang alikabusan ng sobrang likabig. Kung nasa iyas ba? Ha? Binuksan ko kasi yung sa likod, bumili siya ng screen. Buksan namin.
A few moments later.
Ay, sigbay ido. Uy. Gisidok. 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 You hiccup? Huh? You hiccup? You hiccup? You hiccup? You have hiccup? Huh? You have hiccup? You have hiccup? You have hiccup?
mama. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Oh. Oy. Sit down. Sit down. Mami, basta. Dito na.